That's right, I'm going to kill my PC. So, let's set the camera down here. Unplug this. And here we go. So, you can go in. Let's go in now first. Let me just figure out how it goes in. So here we go. In 3, 2, 1. I think I just killed it. Yep, it's dead. Just kidding, guys. I didn't really plug in a USB killer to my computer. This is actually just a USB stick. It looks like a USB killer, but it's not. As you can see, I'm going to turn it back on. And it still works. Don't try this, obviously, because it can cause hard drive failure. This was just for a skit. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, and see ya.